Hello and welcome to Exploring Oregon. In this video, I will take you on a property tour of a 6-bedroom home in Northeast Portland. Hello, I'm David Backholer. I'm a realtor based out of Portland, Oregon. So today we are located in the Alameda neighborhood, which is in Northeast Portland. Now this is a very desirable neighborhood with beautiful and historic homes, and many of these homes were built over 100 years ago. Now the Alameda neighborhood is very centrally located, just 3 miles from downtown and about 7 miles from PDX Airport. So the home we are seeing today was built in 1934. It has 6 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. It is just over 3,400 square feet and priced at $894,900. Now, one of the great things about this house is that it has a separate basement living area with a bedroom, kitchenette and full bathroom, so it could be good for short-term rental options, which could also offset the cost of the mortgage. It has great curb appeal with mature landscaping, an electronic vehicle charging station and tons of natural light through the interior of the home. And make sure you check out the stone countertops in the kitchen. So let's take a closer look.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, among all those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand. Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Really hard by the ocean.
So I hope that gives you an idea on what a home in Northeast Portland looks like and how much it could cost to purchase a home like this in this neighborhood. Now please remember, I am a local realtor to Portland, so please reach out if you have any questions or want some recommendations on what might be a good neighborhood for you and your family. Please do subscribe for more content like this and reach out to me if I can help you find your dream home. Thanks for watching.